In this video, we will show you how to change the battery on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Open the passenger door. To access the battery in your vehicle, you need to move the passenger seat all the way forward. To do this, use the power seat controls. Remove the textile cover. You can now see the battery. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal, since the whole vehicle is connected to the negative terminal. This can create sparks that are dangerous to your vehicle's electrical system. Using a ratchet and a long 10mm socket, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once the terminal has been removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. You can also use a plastic glove and a zip tie. Repeat the operation on the positive terminal. To remove the battery, you have to unscrew the battery clamp. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a long 13mm socket, fully unscrew the holding bolt of the battery clamp. You can now remove the battery clamp. Remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with a cylindrical brush to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. You can order the battery used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new battery. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connections, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Start by putting the positive terminal back in place. Fix it in place with a 10mm socket. Take off the glove. Then put the negative terminal back on. Insert it fully before fixing it in place. Put the battery clamp back in place. Then finish off the tightening with the ratchet. Put the textile cover back on. Put the seat back in place. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.